Hey folks, Tuesday, 24th of January 2023. So welcome to the pre-US session. What we've seen yesterday, we're going to look at the oil market, we're going to look at S&P, and we're going to look at the dollar here again. So let's start off with oil. And as you can see here, we're really, we're looking at weekly bars, and we're really just hanging out here, hanging out around this sort of 81.46s to 82.50s area here. A lot of excess that we've seen before, of course, back in November and December into this area. So, it makes sense. We're really having a hard time testing above 82.53s here. And I think more downside for a pullback to find some buyers, maybe in around the 77, 78s area to then maybe get back up. But, we've had the breakdown on the trend here in oil. And essentially, I think we then need to see follow through and a little more consolidated buying down around closer to 70s, of course, where the White House is also a buyer. And then we can kind of look to come back up, but very much stuck in this range here. So sort of like 82s down to probably 75s, really. All right, that's weekly bars anyway on oil. So. Ollie already taking a lovely trade here this morning, short the P-Val, bang, liquidating, getting out here through the flush to the downside. Lovely stuff, Ollie. Really nice trading there. Well done. So, that's what we're doing here. We're getting to work. All right, let's look at the S&P. And look. We achieved this area, 40.55s on the upside yesterday. I think we can just range back down here and look for buyers below. Maybe that's around the 4,000 handle. I prefer sort of like around 3,900, somewhere like that would be, 3,970s would be nice for the longs to get on. That concept of the breakout and fake out and the pullback very much didn't come through last week. We did not retest here. Just a very complex pullback and bid on up to test this area. So we're stuck in this range. Unfortunately, as you can see, there was sideways action there, and I think we're going to have sideways action in here until we really put in a good test above the 40.55s on this trend here. So do watch out there. Okay. So what else? That's it really on the S&P, and then looking at dollar and oil. Dollar and euro. Well, I think we're seeing supports coming in on the 101 spot 76s here. That's a very old level on the Dixie, but trust me, it's relevant, and we are seeing supports coming in around this area. Then looking for probably pushing back to retest on that 2020 high of 102 spot 99s. So very much not looking to be long the euro while the dollar is holding that 101 spot 76s. Would like to see, maybe fading the dollar strength into, something like 102.59, somewhere like that. And, getting longs on the euro then, see the dollar come back down, and that, so a bit of that activity for dollar and euro. And what else are we seeing? That's kind of it, really. A little look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, up. Generally, crypto's up around 25% on the year so far. And there it is. I mean, bang! We're finding the buyers here. We didn't actually get to my area, the 14.020s. We stayed above this area. We held this trend. Bang, up we go. So, nice activity here from crypto. This is actually up, looks to be up about 40% on the year. Is that right? So let's say from here up to here. Yeah, we're up 37.64% on Bitcoin spot price, trading at 22,895s at the moment. So, really nice activity, holding generally above this zone area, finding those buyers. I think now, generally, broadly speaking, it looks like, we may reverse down onto 18 halves and then look to get back up to 28s. Bitcoin kind of, putting in some good technical trading here. Okay. All right, that's it for me for another PUS. Have a good session. I'll talk to you later. Cheers.